Hi friends, welcome to introduction on SharePoint 2013 team site. The screen you are seeing as of now is the home page of the team site, and on this team site, on the top of the menu bar uh, towards the left, the first thing you see is quick app launch bar. This helps to quickly navigate to any of the Office apps you have on Office 365. Let's click on this. You can see all the apps that I have are available here. All the apps are available here. I can quickly navigate to any of the apps I need. Let's say I want to go quickly and work on Excel. I click on this app and it will take me to Excel online. Let's go back to site. This is a quick app launcher, and then we have Office 365. This will take you to the home page of your Office 365. Let's click on this. Okay, so this is your home page of Office 365. Again, from here you can quickly navigate to the required or any of the apps you want to. This is the same as what we saw here. This directly takes you to the app. Thus, you go to your home page and then navigate to any of the apps. Let's go back to our team site again. Okay. Towards the right of this Office 365, we can see sites. This sites will take you to my sites. That is my site. If I click on this, yeah, here I am on my site, and I could see what are all the sites I am following. This is the list of the sites currently I am following, and towards the right of this, SharePoint automatically populates few of the suggested sites that you can follow or you might be interested in. You can choose to follow or just ignore it, but SharePoint does suggest you with few of the sites that you might be interested with. Let's go back to my team site. Towards right, we can see a gear. This is the settings menu. Once we click on this, we can see few options or the quick options or settings we can do with this site. This is Office 365 settings. You can go and change settings for your Office 365, and then these settings below here are with respect to your site, the site we are logged in now. You can quickly share the site with any of the person or any of your colleague, or edit page. Edit page helps you to edit the current page what we are seeing now. It could be this page or any other page. You are on other page also. If you click on this edit page, you will be able to edit that page, and then you can add a page to the site. Add an app. An app could be your any of the list libraries or any app from the SharePoint store. You can add it to your site, and then you can quickly navigate to your site contents. You can go to site content and see what all contents you have on your site. Change the look. This helps you to quickly change the look. uh, when it says change the look, you can change the title and image of your site. We will go through this how to do that in the later in this video. Then we have site settings. You can go and go to site settings and do things like work on the permissions on this site, or change the look of the site, or updating your master page, or activating certain features. All the site settings you can do. And then getting started would help you to do few of the activities, such as sharing your site, working on your style of the site, or adding list and libraries or other apps to the site. The last thing you see here is feedback. This helps to give feedback to the Microsoft on Office 365. One more thing to note here is as I'm a site admin here, I'm able to see all the links here. It might vary based on the permission or access you have on this site. You may not get this edit page, shared with option, or few of the things based on your permissions. Towards the right of this, we have a quick help where you can go and search for any of the help to do how to do this or anything, how to add a page, anything. You can just go and search here. Next to this is the user information, that is logged in user. Let's click on this and you can see about me. About me is this will take you to your profile page wherein you can update your information, and that would be the page that is visible to other users. Let's say you have your manager, or you have your colleague. He clicks on your name in the contact list or somewhere on the side. It takes him to your profile page, and that is what he sees on your page. And then you can sign out and go to my settings and edit information such as your email ID or display name, anything. This is about the main menu here. On the top of the page here, we can see few quick links. That is, the first thing is share. Again, it's the same feature. You can go and share the site with anyone. The next thing is follow. This, once you click on this, you will be following the site. If you remember, when we went to the site section here, site page, we saw the sites I'm following. So let's say you are on any other site and you click follow, then that would get populated in the list of the sites you are following here. And then if you quickly want to edit this page, there's a link called edit. You just click on this and you will be able to edit this page, do whatever changes you want to. Let me just not do it now. And then next we have here is to enlarge the view, to just concentrate on your content here on this page. Let's click on this. See, left navigation is gone, so that we can concentrate on the content of the site instead of left navigation here. If you want the left navigation back, we can just quickly click on this. Towards the left of the site, we have this quick launch bar. This gives quick access to the links or apps or the content within the site you want to access. You can let's say I click on this, it will go to the document library, again back to home page. You can quickly edit these links. Let's say you want to add a link, click on this link and some test name, and let's copy this URL, paste it here, say OK and save it. You got your quick link here. Just click on this, it will take you to the same page because we have given the link of the same page. Or you can quickly go and remove that link. This is the left navigation, and now let's come to the content of the site. Once you have the site in SharePoint 2013, it provides with few features or few activities you can do as a quick links saying get started with your site. You can either remove this or use it. So once you have your site, probably first thing you want to do is share this site with your team members or your colleagues, or you want to add some project tasks or project timelines, and then you want to add few of the libraries, document libraries to store certain type of documents, or you want to add some list to store some data in it. You can quickly do that. And then you might want to change your style or look of the site. You can quickly do that. And then you want to change the logo of the site and title, then you can use this link. And also you can integrate email app on the site. And then this is the document, default document library we have, and news feeds. You can start a conversation How is it going? And just post it. Once you share this site with other team members, they will be able to see this and they can just reply on that saying good. Okay. Till now we saw basic features of SharePoint 2013 team site. Now let's go ahead and do some changes to our site before we share this site with our team members. The first thing that we would want to do is change the name of the site. Right now you can see it says new team site. I don't want it to be new team site. Instead, I want the name which is relevant to my team. So how we would do that? The first option we have is picking a link from this get started with your site web part. That is your site, your brand link here. On mouse over you can see add a logo and description to your site. This is the first way. If I click on this, it will take me to a page where I can do changes to the title of the site, add image here, and then description. The second option would be, okay, let's go back. Okay, second option would be from site settings menu, go to site settings, then click on title and description here. So it comes to the same page. I can change the name here. Let's say IT department, and then let's leave the description here. And you can pick the logo from your computer or from your SharePoint. And this is your URL that will be used to access this site. I don't want it to say it as new team site. Instead, I'll just remove this and say IT dev. Let's make it a bit short and say click OK. Now you can see our site title has been changed to IT department, and the URL is showing IT dev. So now I have my site name corrected, and then I want to change the style of my site. That would be a different theme. I don't want this blue theme. Instead, I can go here, what's your style, change the look of your site, or I can go to site settings and click on change the look. So let's go with this link now. Once I click on it, it will take us to a page wherein SharePoint 2013 provides few default themes which we can select and apply to our site. So you can select any of these. The current theme that is associated with our site is this current theme. Let's go and which one to pick? Let's select this. I will go with the gray. Once I select this, it will take to a next page or next stage. Here you can drag and drop an image. As of now you can see it's an empty because this particular theme does not have any background image. It's white. So you can go and change this image, go select it from your machine and then just say OK. That image will get applied at the background of this site. Also you can change the colors. See this showing us a preview how it would look. Let's stick to the gray one that is default we had, and then you can select the site layout. In site layouts you have two options. One is Seattle and then is Oslo. Seattle is the current theme that we have. In this we get left navigation, whereas if I go and say Oslo, the left navigation is gone. As of now, let's stick with Seattle. And next is fonts. SharePoint 2013 by default provides fonts that we can apply. I will go with okay, which one to pick? Okay, let's stick to the old default fonts we had and say try it out. Once we click on this, it is generating a preview page for us. That preview page will show how our SharePoint site would look once we apply this theme. Here we can have a look and decide either we want to stick with this or go back and change the fonts or theme or color and then come back and have a preview again. As of now, I'm good with this theme, so I'll just say is keep it. Once we do that, then the theme gets applied to our site. Now you can see our site is with the gray theme now. So we are done with changing the site title and applying a different theme. So by default, SharePoint 2013 theme site provides a document library to upload documents. But what I want to do is I don't want this default document library to be used by my team members. Instead, I want to add new library which should be project specific library where my team members can go ahead and upload those documents. For this, either I can go to site settings menu and then say add an app, or I can use this link here, add list libraries and other apps to add a library. Let's click on this. It will take you to an apps page where it will list you all the apps that are available for you to add. So as we are looking for a document library, I'll select this document library and give it a name project documents and say create. So you can see here our project documents library has got created. So let's go to our home page. On this home page we can see this old document library is there. Let's go ahead and delete this library and add our projects documents library here. I'll quickly go to this link, click on edit, and then once I do a mouse over on this, I will get an option to delete this from this section. Let's delete this, say OK. Now I need to add my project documents library here. So to do that, I need to go to insert and then app paths, select my project documents and say add. Once I'm done with this, I just want to save this, and also you can see that project documents link is getting has got added in left navigation, which makes it easy for the users or team members to go and navigate. Also, as we are done with our site now, we don't want this component to be visible to those users. So let's just click on remove this. This will remove this web part from this page. Let's say remove this, say OK. Okay, so our site is set now and we are ready to share this site with our team members. To do that, what we can do is first option is go to site settings menu and then go to shade with and select invite people and give the email IDs of your team members and click on share. This is the one option. The second option was directly click on this link here and add email IDs and click on share. Once you have shared this site with team members, they would get an email and they will be able to access this site. And in case they go ahead and add some documents to this project documents library, those documents will also be shown on this home page of our IT department site. So this is the basic introduction for SharePoint 2013 team sites. In this, we covered what are all the basic features available with the team site, and how to apply a theme to your team site or any of the sites, how to change your title and description of your site, and how to add an app. We showed how to add a project documents library. uh, I'd be covering more on this in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video, and stay connected. Thank you.